Now let's look at the algorithm environment, and there are several different algorithm environments to choose from. I am going to use a pseudocode environment, which is algorithm X, and the package is called alg pseudocode. So I'm going to use the package alg pseudocode. My title will be algorithms. And here I just want to do a brief introduction to creating nice pseudocode algorithms. Now there are a number of different ways you can create algorithms in LaTeX and a number of different packages, so I just picked one that I thought was pretty easy to learn and actually looks quite nice and easy to read in the LaTeX environment. So my algorithm is going to be about whether or not you learned LaTeX while taking this course. So I want to go into an algorithmic environment, and as always I have a begin-end tag, and my environment here is called algorithmic. So begin and end algorithmic. And to create a pseudocode algorithm, there are a lot of different types of tags you might want to use, so we'll just look at some examples here. The if tag, that should be a capital I, if, and then in curly braces, and then I want to jump into inline math mode, so I'll put my two $signs there and type in between. So if learned is greater than or equal to, let's just say sort of. So I'm just making up some variables here. And I'm going to use indentation because this will make it a lot easier to read. But remember, LaTeX does ignore the white space. I'm going to tab in and make a statement. So state with a capital S. Jump back into math mode. OK. I'll use the symbol gets, which will give me a backwards arrow, an arrow pointing left. True, so I'm assigning true to the variable OK. Else, again with a capital E. Well, if you didn't learn, then while, and in curly braces, and a math environment inside of that, not OK. So while OK is not true, tab in again to go into my while loop. State repeat course. So if you didn't learn LaTeX, then you should repeat the course. And we'll state, of course we need a way to get out of this loop. So again in curly braces and my math environment. So we'll set OK equal to, and then we'll say the same thing. Learned greater than or equal to, sort of. So as soon as learned is greater than or equal to sort of, and OK becomes true, we'll fall out of our while loop and end while. And we have a classic if-else statement here, so we want to end the if. And then of course we end algorithmic. So if you're not familiar with programming algorithms, then this probably won't be useful to you. But for those of you who are, this is a very brief introduction into some of the things you can do with algorithmic packages, and one in particular. We'll typeset that, and I see an error that I have an undefined control sequence on my end if, and this is because the if should be capitalized, as it was in the opening tag here. So we'll typeset that again. Get my PDF over here. And this is the PDF that was created with my pseudocode algorithm. So did you learn LaTeX? If learned greater than equal to sort of, then set OK equal to true, else while not OK, do repeat course. OK equals learned greater than equal to sort of. And when that's true, we'll end the while and in the if. So, in conclusion, let's get rid of this extra subsection here. So this was, of course, a very brief introduction to the advanced topic of using algorithms. So in conclusion, there's a lot more to learn here. And hopefully you will continue, if you're a programmer like myself and need to write algorithms into your documents, hopefully you will continue to learn more about the different algorithm environments and how to create nice algorithms in LaTeX.